So another off the stream charts, and we're looking at Bitcoin. So look here, all the charts streaming. Let's see what's going on. So, well, let's just do a couple of things here. So this is like the weekly. We see this was the all-time, like the resistance of all-time high weekly. This is all-time high. We broke through it, closed bearish, like an indecisive candle, and now we're retesting the fib area. Let's go down to the 3-day. So the 3-day, we see, so we tested the weekly level marked, and now we're testing the fib level. And let's say, let's take kind of a rough count, hey? See what's up there. So this is like rough 1, 2, this could be a 3, and this could be a 5, okay. Then alternatively, this could be a 4, this could be a 3 or 5, or this could all be a 3, and we could be pulling back for a 4 somewhere, and then go for the higher fifth wave, something like that, or like this, let's say. So that's also possible. So if this is all a 3, then this would be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are potentials. We can't be knowing for sure until we actually like start bouncing. But until we're pulling back now, let's say, let's go on to the daily. So kind of simple, okay? 62.8ish, and we have now this area. Okay, here at 61, 60k. So if we take some fibs, let's say this was the last low, we take the high. Okay, so we take some EMAs, we remove this, and on the daily, what do we got? So we got the confluence area between 60.4 and 61. Okay, and then we have this lower market levels, something like this here. Okay, and then we have this 55 EMA band, which is not correlated to a horizontal level, but most of the times it gives really nice bounce or continuation. So heavy volume dropping, RSI dumping. Okay, so that's what we got for so far. 4 hour. Well, the 4 hour, as we can clearly see, then I drew this local fib. So this was a really prominent local low, okay, and this is the top of the move. So this is like a specific prominent low on top, and we can see that this fibs kind of gave reactions, really good ones. So here bounced back to 236, to 618, 382. So it's basically making a dump, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if it continues, it comes up to 0.5 or 382 again, lower high. Okay, then goes again for a lower low. So the lower low would be in the area we're looking at here, which we marked on the higher time frame, and at that kind of area we would get a bullish divergence on the RSI and the stochastic. So that would be good for push up. So, and regarding the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So loading zones, key loading zones, yeah, you see here. So wick down to here and quick buy up is on the books. So game plan is as follows. Okay, game plan is this: if price action on the 4 hour comes here and reclaims this area, which is the weekly level that we marked, and we have, see now how this is an important zone. Okay, why is this important? Okay, came back, flipped, tested, retested, went up, dumped, retested again, failed, retesting. Okay, important zone. So if the 4 hour can come above, retest, hold, hold again, then it's bullish up until here. Okay, it's bullish up until here. Actually, I'd say it's bullish up until there, to this area. Okay, all this area here. Why? Well, because of one tiny thing called distribution. So if this happens like this, let me just move it. If this happens like this again, comes up here, okay, comes up here, makes an SFP, then this is the final sweep of distribution, and then we will go down lower, like to these levels, okay, before continuing up. If this was the sweep of distribution already, like spring, then down, then we make a lower high here, or this was the lower high again, and we reject here, make like this, then we come down somewhere here, make a high, and then we can go up. So basically, in this zone, as long as Bitcoin goes sideways, we could be even starting a fresh accumulation pattern, which could be semi-confirmed if price comes here, sweeps these lows, okay, here, sweeps these lows, makes a spring, like SFP of these lows, comes up there, makes something like that, and goes for another more bullish structure. Okay, that's something that will also be interesting. So, alt health, altcoin market health, current altcoin market health. Let's see what's going on. Well, pretty simple. So, also puking back. 3-day. Oops, you see again, important level. So here, important level. Okay, 1 day. Kind of simple, yeah. Lose it here, go lower, hold it, go higher. So if BTC goes sideways, altcoins will continue. Pretty simple stuff. Pretty simple stuff. So what will the king do, and what's to be expected? Well, also pretty simple. You see the 55 band is here. So this is a really good reaction. Really good. Really good. 2 times pivoting. So the price is trying to pivot at every point of these moments, and I think that it needs to just flip this to support. Where am I leaning? I'm leaning to loading positions. If BTC dips here, I'm expecting to be held. I'm expecting, if it sweeps these lows to 200 EMA on the 4 hour, okay, so down to 58 200-ish, and gets a sweep buyback, I will be leaning to loading on altcoins, okay, then hoping it goes sideways while altcoins pump and market continues. If at any time the 4 hour turns this area, okay, this area, because as price goes more few days forward, this band will come up, but what's important is levels. So if this level is lost, here, if price goes under Okay, it doesn't matter, it comes here and turns this into resistance, then that's trouble. Okay, this turns to resistance, then we know we will probably even start looking for shorts, and this area will get tested, and this will probably be a major buyback. Okay, so that's the game plan, guys. Thanks you for watching, thanks for liking it, for liking our videos, thanks for being with us, and stay tuned. Have a great week, gang. Talk to you later. Bye.